my channel. Today, this is pomegranate from the fruit pomegranate. I just pick it out from here and I keep the seed. Seed is so delicious and the benefits all kind. And I'm gonna go ahead and make the tea of this pomegranate shell. I'm gonna make the tea. This tea gonna be taste good because I remember my mother take the pomegranate leaf to make the tea. It smells so delicious. So let's go start it. Eat the seed and make the tea of this shell right here. Okay, let's go to start it. Let me put the water in there. Okay, let's start the tea. Let me go ahead, boil it, make the tea, and it will smell good and taste good. Put all of this in there. I will boil about 20 minutes. Benefits of the pomegranate seed, but pomegranate shell right here. So this one right here you can put in salad. You just eat just like that. It tastes so good. Very good. Oh yes, I cannot wait to have this pomegranate tea right here, guys. I'm gonna boil for 20 minutes. Very good now. Oh, nice and golden color. Okay, let's go check on my tea. How's it going, tea? Okay, you're going down, so that means you good cooking, good boiling right now. Look, nice color, golden color. Oh, I love this. I love this, guys. Love it. And crush, eat the seeds. The seed is so delicious, you guys. Okay, guys, let's go take everything out. All right, let's go to start. Take everything out right here. I think it's good now. I'm gonna take this one out. Look at this, guys. Take all this one out. Oh yes. Right here, we get out all of this. I'm gonna filter because I see the crumb down here. See some crumb right there. I want my teeth nice and clean and filter. Okay, let's go put in part right here. Crystal clear filter. There you go. It's my tea. So now you see how beautiful golden color. Okay. All right. Here my pomegranate tea, guys. I'm gonna go ahead. Have the lights coming so I can see well. So you can see well too. Oh wow, it's beautiful color. Look at this. You know, when you buy pomegranate, when you eat seed, don't throw away the shell, okay? Because you can make the tea. How it looks beautiful, right? Look at the tea. Oh my God! You try, you're gonna love it. Okay, here come my cheese, guys. I'm gonna go ahead, taste it. Cheers. Sour a little bit. You don't believe this is so good. It tastes kind of bitter taste and sour. That means good tea. So good. I love it. It's bitter taste. I mean medicine. And bitter taste is medicine. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching and see you